Yan, today, bigyan ko kayong attachment. Okay? Let's start. Compare natin, i-compare natin yung walang attachment sa meron. Okay? Wait lang guys. May nag-chat. Yan guys. Ito pag walang attachment guys. Ito siya. Lang, i-ano natin yan bot. Lang guys. Yan, pag walang attachment yan wala. Kahit ganyan na pa yan. Wala. So, ito, attachment. Minsan, wala. Minsan, meron. Habang ikay ito, Marauder para ma-increase yung konting damage, range, or accuracy. Tapos, RTC. Ano yan din. Stock. Wala na yan, boy. Ito, MIP. Grip. Wala na yan. 500 na. Ayan guys, yung attachment. So, pakita ko sa inyo. That's it for today. And I'm Zachary. And I'm out. Bye!